Hey everyone, how you doing today? So it is our big giveaway announcement, 500 subscribers. First off, before we get into the giveaway, I just want to thank each and every one of you that have subscribed to the channel. We've only been at this for about 6 months now. We've grown up to over 500 subscribers now. It's come up a lot quicker than I really did expect. It took us a while, once we started. It was a slow creep, but now it's just like every day you guys are hitting that subscribe button, and just multiple of you every single day, and I can't be more thankful. I know I'm going to keep trying my best to put out the best content for you guys to watch, not only with the Hellcat Redeye behind me, but also the other cars that we have. And yeah, we're just going to keep pushing. Maybe we'll grow even more, and then we could bring even more badass content to you. We'll see how it goes. But I told you guys, I think it was like maybe a week or two ago, that we're doing a giveaway of 500, and today we're announcing what that is. So if you were here during our 100 subscriber giveaway, we did a $100 Summit Racing gift card. So we're going to up the ante a little bit today, not a lot, because, I'm still not making any money off this YouTube thing. So this is all, just coming straight out of my pocket. But before we get into the bigger ticket item here, let's go ahead and show you what I got on the car behind me. Hellcat is not included. So, all right, so first item, you're going to get this nice embroidered Hellcat Redeye hat. Next is going to be our Sour Horsepower t-shirt. Just let me know, whoever you are, future winner, let me know what size you are and we'll get you the right size shirt. Included in all this is going to be a nice little Mopar 1320 Hellcat Redeye Dodge to-go bag. And we have this awesome, I'm going to pull this up into the light actually, so you guys can see it some more. Christmas time's coming up. Got yourself a nice Hemi motor Christmas tree ornament. So I thought this was pretty cool when I saw it, so yeah. Then over here we got some assorted lanyards, some racing, some America flag, SB3 coatings. They are the ones that did the ceramic coat on the car. And then some assorted stickers that we had lying around. But I know you guys are like, well, Chris, there was a $100 gift card before, so what are you doing? For the second giveaway, we are going to be doing a $150 Amazon gift card on top of everything you just saw here. So this is my thanks to you. Obviously, next milestone is 1,000 subscribers, which will ratchet it up even more. So do me a favor, if you got friends, family, anybody else that you know that would potentially like this channel, let them know. Okay, go ahead and subscribe. We'll keep doing giveaways because it's the least we can do to give back to you guys, and we really do appreciate it. So now that you've seen what we're going to win, and I've told you what you're going to win, here's how you win. So in the comments below on this video, you're going to comment your favorite Mopar color in history. So, going back to the 60s and 70s when they came out with the really cool colors. Now, we're not just looking for generic purple. We're not just looking for blue, green. I want the Mopar color name, whether it's Plum Crazy purple, Sublime green, Destroyer gray, Indigo blue. So go ahead, you're going to comment your favorite Mopar color down below in the comments on this video. So go down right now, if you're watching, go down, comment your favorite color, and then next week, next Thursday's video is going to be the giveaway announcement. So you have until Wednesday, what would that be? Hold on, let's check the calendar here. So you have until Wednesday, November 11th at midnight, so 11:59 p.m. to comment below. At next Wednesday, I'm going to be locking or seeing how many comments we have, and I'm not going to let any more come in because Thursday I will pick the winner. I'll record it just like we did for the last one. Random number generation, so if you're comment number 1, you'll get place number 1. If you're comment number 50, you'll get number 50, and then I will go through the random number generator, and whichever number that gives me between 1 and however number of comments we have, that's going to be our winner. And then so once you win, you're going to have to send us a little screenshot on Instagram showing that you are subscribed so I can verify, because not everybody has their subscription set to public, so I can't see everybody that has subscribed. So that's the one way we're going to be able to verify it. And then yeah, if you guys have any questions with your color that you're commenting, let me know down below. I'll put a little bit I'll write out all of the description in the description of this video. I'll write out all the requirements again in case you need to go back and read to see exactly what we're doing here. All right, so moving into upcoming content. This weekend, this Saturday, so November 7th, we are going to be at Cecil County Dragway running in the Strange Engineering Streetcar Shootout. So we're at least doing one class there. We might be doing two. I haven't really decided yet. But no trailer this time. We're driving to the car, to the track, because, you know, streetcar. So Hellcat's going to the track Saturday, and that'll be Monday's video. That's it for today. Go ahead, like this video, comment below so you have a chance to win. Subscribe, and take care, and have a great day.